Hi ma'am, this is my presentation in lesson 2, Physical Evidence and Chain of Custody. Physical Evidence and Chain of Custody. Lesson objectives: discuss the ways to collect physical evidence and trace evidence. Identify improper tagging and labeling of evidence. Presented by Mikaling Frankfeld G from 30IA1-E. Physical Evidence and Chain of Custody. Physical evidence refers to the evidence such as objects found in the crime scene. So it means physical evidence could be described as a combination of trace elements, blood, splatters, semens, visual understanding, voice readings, and criminal records. Example of physical evidence are fingerprints, footprints, tool marks, and etc. Chain of custody. Ito naman po refers to the order in which of evidence have been handled during the investigation of a case. Pinapakita dito kung paano i-handle yung evidence na required para magamit as evidence in court. Sequence of collecting physical evidence. First is document and photograph the evidence. And second naman po, properly secure the evidence by placing in a paper bag or envelope. Next naman po is close, seal, or tape the paper bag or envelope. The examiner must write initial date and time across the sealed area. And next naman po, label the bag or envelope with the patient's identifying information. And lastly po, examiner must place signature, date, and time on the envelope. What will happen if the collected evidence were contaminated by your own hair, saliva, and fingerprints? Una po, kapag na-contaminate ang evidence, hindi na magagamit sa court as evidence. Dahil yung original form ng evidence is nasisira and may possibility na hindi masolve yung case, lalo na kung yung evidence hindi na magagamit sa court as evidence dahil yung original form ng evidence is nasira, and may possibility na hindi masolve yung case lalo na kung ang evidence na na-contaminate ay best evidence para malaman kung sino ang suspect at kung paano masolve ang isang case. Why establishing a proper chain of custody evidence is important? It is important to not only document what is being obtained, but who is doing the collection when it was collected and other details that validable the evidence, because chain of custody documentation provides information regarding na lang po the collection, transportation, storage, and general handling of the electronic evidence. It is possible naman po to misinterpret the data and results provided by forensic software, which is why it's imperative to document exactly where the data came from in the event it needs to be revisited. And yun lamang po ma'am. Thank you po.